conference. It's good to be back. 12 months ago, I presented at this conference, and we've done a number of drill programs since then. And we've also acquired a new project, or two new projects in the Laverton region, which is going to be essentially the focus of my presentation today. So Platina is a well-funded, 19 million market cap gold exploration company. We're focused on West Australia and the Yilgarn-Creighton. Our strategy is to create shareholder value through discovery and to build out that value through drilling and resources development. We've got a portfolio of projects in the Yilgarn. Our primary focus in the next 12 months will be on our Laverton projects, Mount McKenna and Sunrise Bore when it gets granted. And we also have another project at Jubilee where we're waiting for that to get granted as well. So the success of our strategy comes from three things. It comes from the people that we have running the company, especially on the ground, the geologists. It comes from having the right projects in the right area. And it comes from having funding available so that you can maximise returns without diluting your share capital through constant raisings. So I'll just take you through each of those the components of that success strategy. So Rowan Deshpan, he's our exploration manager. He's based in Perth. Rowan's been in the business over 17 years. Prior to joining Platina, he was heavily involved with De Grey mining and the discovery of the Hemi deposit. So he worked on that for over 4 years before joining Platina, and primarily all of his experiences in the Yilgarn and the Pilbara Creightons in WA. I've been in the business over 30 years. I've been with Platina for 7 years. Completely restructured the company from a platinum and scandium developer into a new gold exploration company. Before I joined Platina, I was very actively involved with the establishment of Sayona Mining in Quebec in Canada. I built the footprint of all the projects there, and that went on to be a fantastic success story and moved into production. So we are targeting projects where we believe that there is a million-ounce resource potential. So we're heavily focused on the greenstone belts in the Yilgarn-Creighton. We've established a big footprint now in the Laverton region, which we're looking to continue to grow, and we're also doing some work down in the Norseman greenstone belts as well. It's just worth noting that if you do have some success, there's a couple of examples here of the sorts of share price appreciation you can get from that success. So I'll just run you through a few slides on our new Mount McKenna project and our Sunrise Bore project. We're waiting for that to be granted. We're hoping that'll be earlier next year, and that's pretty much a drill-ready project as well. And we're looking to be on the ground drilling at Mount McKenna in about a week's time. And we've got a couple of other projects, but you can sort of have a look on our website to get a bit of information about those. We will be looking to drill our BD project probably in about the middle of 2026. So we've just established a new footprint in the Laverton area. The Eastern Goldfields is a real world-class district. There's been over 40 million ounces of gold produced here. There's a number of north-south trending greenstone belts with mega structures that's delivered absolute world-class mines like Wallaby, Sunrise Dam, Granny Smith, Sunrise Dam. So this is a really prospective area. You tend to find that a lot of these deposits have good grades, and that the metallurgy tends to be pretty simple. So that's why we've really focused on this area. And in addition to the geological potential, we've got a hub established in Laverton now. We can fly in and fly out of Perth. There's accommodation available. And for future developments, there's great road system, network of power and gas infrastructure, and there's also plenty of processing plants within a 50-kilometre radius of our project area. So it's good to have a nice hub that we can operate off. It keeps our costs down, and it means we can mobilise into our projects very quickly. So we acquired the Mount McKenna project in September this year. We came across a prospector who had been working in this area for over 10 years, and they were showing us handfuls of gold nuggets that they'd collected here, and that clearly captured our attention. In addition to that, earlier this year, Genesis Minerals spent $250 million acquiring the tenements immediately to the west of us here, and they paid that $250 million for 4 million ounces of gold there. So this is a really prospective area. We'd waited some time to find a new project, and what really appealed to us about this project was that we've got greenstone belt traversing this tenement for over 20 kilometres, nearly 25 kilometres in north-south direction. The Granite Well Fault is a mantle tapping fault that runs through that greenstone belt. And there's also mapped intrusives here. There's some granodiorites and some cyanide intrusives. So they're just some other potential fluid pathways to bring mineralisation into this deposit. It also has a large ultramafic in the eastern side of the tenement, which is prospective for nickel. There's been no exploration at this site since the 90s. There's a little bit of drilling on the western fringe of the tenement, but essentially most of that drilling was very shallow and requires follow-up. So some of those follow-up intercepts included 16 metres a gram, including 4 metres at 3. And you can also see a photo of some of the gold nuggets that had been found by the prospectors on the tenement. So we're quite excited about this tenement. It's a big tenement. It's over 25 square kilometres, so we're happy to tackle it in small pieces. We're keen to get drilling pretty quickly, so we've developed a number of different target areas. We just completed a gravity survey, completed a cultural heritage survey, and we'll be looking to drill this prospect in the next 10 days, and then over a period of time we'll systematically explore the rest of the tenement. We've also got a conditional agreement to acquire Sunrise Bore. It's located 45 kilometres south of Laverton. It's only a small tenement, but it has a major structure that runs north-south through it. It's over 3.6 kilometres long. It's in close proximity to a number of smaller deposits, and also very close to the Anglo's Sunrise Dam mine. So it's in a really interesting area. Again, hasn't been drilled for over 28 years, but has a number of really nice intersections in it that definitely warrant following up. And if you look at it in long section, there's a little bit of drilling, not very few holes below 100 metres, and that's over 800 metres. We've got that long section with the historical results in it. We've got 3.6 kilometres to go and explore there. So this area, this project area is essentially open along strike and down dip and down plunge. So once that gets granted early next year, it's pretty much walk up and start drilling. We're extremely well funded. We've got $10.6 million in the bank. We have a number of milestone payments from the sale of our scandium project due in 2026, so we'll be looking to pull in at about another $4.5 million. So we're extremely well funded. We shouldn't have to dilute our share capital for a fairly long period of time. And we also have a very low enterprise value. So based on our current market cap and cash position, it's 8.7 million. And if you take out the milestone payments that are due next year, our whole portfolio is only valued at about $4 million. So just to wrap up, we're in Tier 1 location, hunting around the other big deposits. We think we've got a great tenement package where we can build out resources. We've got the people on the ground to make it happen, very well capitalised, and we have a large number of share price catalysts coming up to generate news flow. And parting word, it's a great time to go drilling when the gold price is really strong. Thank you very much.